If you accidentally deleted TikTok messages, let's see how you can try to recover them. So first open up your TikTok app, and if you accidentally deleted a few messages or even an entire chat with a friend and you just want to recover it, don't worry, here's how you go. So first you have to open up your profile, then tap on the hamburger menu, go to settings and privacy, and from the account option, go to download your data. Now under request data, make sure you select direct messages. After selecting it properly, tap on request data, and now TikTok will start preparing your data. So if you don't see the download option right away, wait about 5 to 10 minutes and the download option should appear. Once it's available, you will need to verify your account and then you can download the file from here. After downloading, open the Files app on your phone and go to Downloads folder. So here we'll see the download file there. Now unzip or extract the file properly. Once it's extracted, open the folder and go to Direct Messages folder. So here you may be able to see your deleted messages. Now in some cases, if you're not able to recover your messages using this method, don't worry, there's another option. So just go back to your profile, tap the hamburger menu and open Settings and Privacy. Now go to Help Center and from here select Direct Messages and you can read the available help articles or tap on Need More Help. So in the chat box, clearly explain your issue, mention which messages you just want to recover and include your TikTok username and email. So TikTok support can review your request and that's it. This is how you can actually recover deleted messages on TikTok. I hope this can help you a lot. Thanks for watching.